watch unlocked episodes of your favorite shows.
You released all of season 2 today? Maybe I'll watch one more. One more, definitely.
On the Cartoon Network app.
Stand by. President R.J. Elliott will shortly relay a message over the emergency alert system to the American public. Please stand by. Ladies and gentlemen, Democratic President R.J. Elliott. Good morning, everybody. At approximately 6:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been a death signal broadcasted on the following cable outlets on all channels: Dish Network, Verizon Fios, and Xfinity Comcast. If you have any of these providers and you have experienced this, then call 911 immediately. This has already killed over 10,000 people, and is expected to kill more within the next 2 to 3 weeks. But that's not it. It has been confirmed that the Soviet Union, quote 2.0, has broadcasted the signal in cooperation with the Japanese Republic and the German Nazis. And also, 1 million troops have been spotted entering the country. And they have also launched over 500 nuclear missiles that will go around the world. These missiles are so powerful that could evaporate a whole entire city in 1 second. And shelters are not an option. They're not a match for these nukes. That said, all residents of the United States, gather your loved ones, friends, and family, and pray for our final moments together. Let's start with a quote from John F. Kennedy. Although one day we all have to go, the American legacy will live on. This broadcast will conclude with the final activation of the national anthem. Please stand by. God bless America. That was a message from the President. And now return to the emergency alert system.